How to customize iPhone home screen. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your general settings, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll a little bit down until you find the wallpaper, and just go ahead right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and add a new wallpaper. So now you can add the wallpaper that are offered by Apple itself. You're gonna just go ahead and choose whatever photo that you want to add as a wallpaper. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna just go ahead to the weather and astronomy. So let's say I'm gonna just choose this one. And now if I wanted to choose a planet, or if you want to change planet, just go ahead and swipe left or right. And if you want to change right here the widgets, you can just go ahead and change or add widgets by deleting this one and add another one. So you can't add more than 3 widgets, so you have to delete one to add another. So cancel this one. Now if you want to change the font, just click on the clock font, and you can just go ahead and change it the way you want, in the color as well. And if you want to change the the calendar as well, you can just go ahead and just keep it on Monday 5th. Okay, and after you finish, just hit add, and basically you added this wallpaper into your home screen. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.